Hello everyone, I'm Ronak Borat. I'm going to give a TED talk on positivity. Let's begin with a quote. Success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. People who have got positive mindset in their life seeks to be happier, healthier, irrespective of the situation. People who have got positive attitude towards their life are more successful in both their personal and professional life than those who cannot control their thoughts. With positive mindset and emotions, we seek to be optimistic and expect best to happen in our life. Lots of people have been positive in their life and successful and been successful in their life. Well, it is really hard for a person to think positively for a longer time. As whenever we try to do any task, first the negative thoughts attracts than the positive thoughts. So we need to be positive in every situation. With positive mindsets, we tend to be more optimistic and expect best to happen. Generally, people cannot have positive thoughts very easily because whenever we try to do any task, we first think of that whether we'll be successful or not. So negative thoughts attracts than positive thoughts. When we see a brighter side of the life, our life is filled with light. It does not only affect us, it affects the people and the nature around us. The style of power of positive thinking is that we create for ourselves. This power has strength in every aspect of our life as it makes us feel happier and comfortable. One of the greatest scientists in this world, Mr. Stephen Hawking, had positivity in his life which led to success in his life. At the age of 21, he was suffering from a motor neuron diseases. Doctors said that he cannot live life for more than 2 years. But with his great courage and positive attitude towards the life, he overcame this crippling illness and did lots of scientific theories which were considered one of the best theories in this world. Then like lots of researchers have tackled topics like wisdom, creativity, optimistic. But after the Second World War, the main topic which came to highlight was positive psychology. One of the greatest psychologists, Mr. Martin Seligman, he came to know that people are very aware of their signature strengths. Signature strengths are those like courage, positivity, etc. So with this, he made a theory. The theory was called as PERMA model. PERMA model comprises of 5 elements. The 5 elements are, first is positive emotion, second it is engagement, third it is relationship, fourth is meaning, and fifth is accomplishment. Well, now like I had to share some of my life experiences which led to successful in my life with positive attitude. Like one of my incident in class, grade 10th, the subject which I used to hate is math. Basically, people hate the subject a lot. Then I was not interested in it to do that too. But I had no other go. I had to work hard for it. So I used to work every day hard, consistently for that. But then too, after 2 to 3 examinations in my school, I did not improve myself. I used to have lots of pessimistic thoughts. I used just to wonder that I work that much hard, but the result I don't get. So at the time, the most important people were my parents, my teachers, and my friends. They supported me a lot. So I forgot all the past and started to work for it. And finally, I got good marks in my maths board exam. Another important experience was that of my hand structure. Usually, my friends and my trainers believe that I can't take push-ups because my hands can't withstand the weight of the body. So I used to feel bad that why I can't take push-ups and everyone can take, why could not I? I used to feel positive. I thought that I can and I will. I used to practice every day. I used to have courage for it, to do it. Then finally, I started to take everyday push-ups. Well, basically, it's a small thing taking push-ups for everyone. But for me, it was one of the biggest achievement in my life. Then I like to like some of the experiences through which I have felt positive in my life. Like, we should have entertainment in your life, which is the most important thing. Because when you relax yourselves, when you're happier, you tend to be more positive than your stress life. Then we can do meditation. Meditation helps to cure yourself. It helps to boost your confidence, concentration. If it is done on a regular basis, then you would have positive emotions and vibrations in yourself, which you would feel. One of the most important thing which I have done in my life is that by drawing caricatures or writing in a piece of paper. As whenever I used to feel low or have negative thoughts, I used to reflect all those in a piece of paper, which would make me feel comfortable and happier. Well, this positive mindsets and emotions helps us to have physical abilities and social emotions. It creates more connections, create inclusive categories, and have heightened levels of creativity. So I hope that people bring positive in their life, forget their past, forget their pain. Because when you have positivity in your life, you'll be more strong in it. So I hope that people are positive in their life. Thank you.